In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glassmorphism effect in Canva. Glassmorphism is a sleek design trend that gives your projects a modern, frosted glass look, and it's a fantastic way to make your designs stand out. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva dashboard. Here, you can either start a new project or dive into one of your recent designs. For today, we will jump right into a recent design so we can focus on applying this lovely glass effect. Once you've opened your design, go to the Elements section. In the search bar there, type in Frame. You'll see a variety of frames pop up. Choose one that suits your design aesthetic. Frames are particularly useful because they allow you to have control over how your images are displayed, making them a perfect starting point for our glassmorphism effect. Next, you need to add an image to your frame. Head over to the Upload section. This is where you can drag and drop your own photos right into the chosen frame. Once populated with your image, double-click on the frame. This action will allow you to access the editing tools for the photo. Here, you can reposition or resize your image within the frame until you achieve the perfect fit. Now let's move on to creating the blur effect, which is a key component of glassmorphism. With the frame still selected, look for the Edit Image button. This will reveal a variety of image manipulation options. Click on Effects, and from the options presented, select the blur filter. Applying a blur gives that soft, frosted glass feel that's central to glassmorphism. It's important to customize the blur intensity to match your project needs. Too much blur can obscure important details, while too little won't achieve the intended effect. So, take your time adjusting this filter to find the sweet spot where the background is visible enough to create that subtle, glassy look without compromising the visibility of your main design elements. Once you've fine-tuned the intensity to your liking, step back and take a complete look at your work. You might find that a few more tweaks are needed, which is completely normal. Every image and project has its own requirements, so don't hesitate to play around with the settings until you're happy with the result. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a chic glassmorphism effect using Canva. This technique adds a layer of sophistication and depth to your designs, making them pop in the eyes of anyone who views them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful for your future design projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing!